Good morning, all. I welcome you all for the next lecture series. In this series, we are going to see the subject name is generation, transmission, and distribution. In this first, we are going to see the unit 1, which consists of introduction of a power system and structure of power system. And along with this, the power generation units, few power systems, power plant unit with the block diagram explanation. Along with this, HVDC, concept of HVDC and the elaboration of HVDC, we are going to see. And for this unit 1, first we are going to see the topic introduction, and next is the power system structure. So anyone can say what is mean by power system? Yes, it is a network which consists of generation, transmission, and distribution. These three areas considering that we called as the power system. And here I show the theory for the introduction of power system. So now only we are discussing about the power system is a network which consists of three areas: generation, transmission, and distribution systems. And actually, it uses the form of energy. That is, it converts one form of energy into another form of energy. That is, one form of energy which we are considered as the coal or diesel and fossil fuels also, which convert into electrical energy, which is done by the power system. And power system includes the devices to convert, which is connected in the system. That is, what are the devices we have to connect and convert? This process will be takes place. These devices are synchronous generator, motor, transformer, circuit breaker, and then conductor. And next, the power generation methods. I think we all know that we have a knowledge about renewable energy and non-renewable energy. I think we all heard about these words, but what are the sources we have under this two topics? One is renewable sources, and we are heard it that is solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal also under renewable energy, biomass. So once again repeat, renewable sources which consist of solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass. So keep in your mind. And for the non-renewable sources, is primarily we are using fossil fuels and nuclear energy. So this is the sources under renewable and non-renewable. So always you are keep in your mind what is mean by renewable sources: solar, wind, hydrothermal, and geothermal, and also biomass. So next is, so already we are discussed. So power system is convert one form of energy into another form of energy. These three are here I listed three powers. One is solar power, wind power, and then hydropower. So solar power is converted from photovoltaic, or that is we consider as, or we call it as a PV system, which converts the sunlight directly into the electricity. So this is we call it as the solar power. And for the wind power, the wind turbines captures the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. The wind and the kinetic energy is absorbed from the or captured from the wind also. And for the hydropower plant, electric power plants uses the potential energy of water from the reservoir, and it's converted into electrical energy through the turbines. So these three are we are considered as a conventional power sources. That is solar, wind, and then hydro. So this is the power system network. So that is we called as the structure of power system. So structure of power system is the next topic of your unit. So I'll remember today lecture we are seeing the introduction of power system, which power system is the network which consists of generation, transmission, and distribution. And the components we are included are the systems or devices are connected. The device names are synchronous generator, motor, transformer, circuit breaker, and then conductor. And then we are discussing about the renewable and the non-renewable sources. So let's see in the next class. Thank you.